I've come to plead with you.
I know I have hurt you so much. But please, I am asking for your forgiveness. You showed me so much love beyond measure. You did enough good to my family and I. But I know I paid you back with unkindness. Please, I am begging you. I am pleading with you. Biko, I am sorry. I am deeply sorry. Please.
Ogale, please, we are so sorry. I don't even know who you are before, but the way my wife was talking about it got me interested, you know. And me seeing you today, I think you're a very nice man. Allowing us into your house too. I think you're a very good man. Ogale, Biko, we are sorry.
Please. We are deeply sorry.
Bravo. Have a seat. Have a seat.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.